Evening family, and welcome to Swindon. Swindon is a town in the southwest of England, and it's got some really beautiful countryside around. It's got the Wiltshire Hills, the Cotswolds, and I'm currently working with that supermarket in Swindon, and I thought I'd take a drive out, go for a run, get some lovely countryside. Here's a bit of a clip from China. I haven't had time to edit a full video, so here's just a bit of a taster, and if you want more updates of what I'm up to, then I'll speak to you at the end of the video. Enjoy! So this is Lao Wang.
Lao Wang.
And he's been helping out in the house, and so he's making jiaozi.
包的时候再炸。
这是什么？
这是馅儿。
I'm a massive fan of jiaozi, so I'm excited. So this is toffee paste and some peanuts. Mix them together with some eggs and some other green vegetables. This stuff is 52%, and Lao Wang, he's added loads of herbal plants and stuff like that to it, but it's brutal. Yeah. It's like drinking vodka plus some every single dinner time. You get pretty drunk from just this.
谢谢。
Very good. So, a few updates. I'm working on two kind of philosophy videos at the moment. First of all, the nature of the underminer, the voice in our head that brings us down. Why do we actually have a voice that can be so destructive that people commit suicide? So looking into the philosophy and anthropology of that. And then second of all, I'm working on the second Wu Wei video for Tea Time Taoism. And I'm really excited about that because with the help of the beautiful, wonderful, amazing Patreons, I'm in discussions with an animator. So you can imagine it's going to be like TV show style. So it's going to be me talking and then have some animations. I'm really excited to show that to you. It's probably going to be a month off still because I'm super busy. And a final bit of news is that I've just passed 20,000 subscribers. I don't know how that happened so quickly. It was 10,000 last month. So just wanted to welcome the new people, and it's really exciting. You know, you're working all day and then you check your laptop and then you've gained another 300 subscribers. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll see you for the next video. Lots of love.